The main problems that the hiring managers that I work with have is finding really good quality technical sales engineers, people who've got the necessary technical skills, but also who've got a high level of capability to produce good results in a sales environment. So it's an unusual combination of skills and it's quite a difficult job for people to do. And there's quite a shortage of those people. So I think that's really the problem we're trying to help people solve is finding those winners with that rare set of skills. The way we go about doing that is primarily through a very extensive network that we've built up of contacts in the engineering and tech sectors for people with commercial skill sets, and in particular, salespeople. We've developed that pool of people that we have a networking contact with over quite an extensive period of time. So we've got something in the order of about 12,000 people in our little black book. And that's the primary route for us finding these sorts of people. I think the other thing that helps tremendously is just repeated processes that we run for clients in that space. And every single assignment we have is a learning process for us. We're learning more about how people engage with their customers. Every company is different. Everyone's got a slightly different take and a slightly different approach. So I think being able to understand what people are doing in a sales operation within these tech businesses is tremendously helpful just in terms of being able to identify people who've got high potential to be productive. I mean, there are plenty of salespeople out there, but unfortunately, most of the people who are active job seekers are not necessarily going to be high performers. So quite often the high performers are very, very happy and doing very well. And therefore we need to make an outreach approach to them directly to try and engage with them so that we can have a conversation with them about opportunities within the client, our clients' businesses. In terms of a typical scenario for us, there's a huge mixture of types of roles within the sales organization that we recruit for. We have two solutions to finding really high performing salespeople. The first solution is headhunting. People are probably mostly familiar with what that is. We're identifying and engaging with people who are not actually job seekers, who have the credentials to produce at high levels within a sales operation, within a sales business, and have a track record of success. They're not generally active job seekers. The second approach that we think works extremely well for finding, again, high performing salespeople is to evaluate the market for trainees. So people who are new to sales, who've got potential, such as the graduate trainee market. We've found some tremendous people in that space over time. Some of whom have now been promoted into quite senior roles. So some of them we're actually recruiting for ourselves. So two methods, headhunting and trainees.